to keep the water. Now it's ready. Sauce.
Oh, okay.
The sauce liquors just for the cooking.
Okay.
It can eliminate the
Bacteria.
meat smell.
Smell, okay.
Special smell.
Is it like a vinegar? Is it like a vinegar?
No, not vinegar.
Okay.
Like a liquor alcohol.
Oh, liquor, alcohol, okay.
Kind of put inside. In China, they said use the left hand means it's smart, but I'm not so smart.
No.
It's
Oil, okay.
not salt, oil, because the oil can cover the vegetable, the water. Hot.
Oh.
If you put salt first, then a lot of water will leak out.
Okay. Oh, that is great idea. That means oil will cover the minerals and water
Yeah.
inside the vegetables.
Yeah.
When you cook, it will not go out.
Yeah.
That's a great tip.
They don't. A lot of people don't know this.
Many people don't know. They add the salt and bring out the water.
Yeah.
So the minerals and vitamins go out from the vegetable.
First, put the oil.
Okay.
The salt is the last step.
Oh, perfect. Great tips.
So, ma, you feel?
Oh, yeah.
This is ma.
Okay. It's a very special spice from Sichuan.
Yeah, Sichuan. So in the chili oil is necessary.
Oh,
So they can create a special flavor. I would like to put some black pepper. That's my favorite.
okay.
Okay, not much. It's okay. 啊，没有的，我拿过来吧。The best is in the pizza center. They're a little thick, you know, thicker than the round. Because if you roll like this, this part is the center. If it's not thick, maybe broken.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
妈妈，这是南瓜汁吗？
待会儿我给你看，妈妈要包饺子。
妈妈，你现在可以看。你不拿手就行，我拿手，因为我的手干净着。妈妈，这是南瓜汁吗？很像南瓜汁耶。
里面是不是有南瓜嘛？它应该不只是一种汁，应该有其他的。
To the boiled water. Then use this avoid stick the bottom, but only one direction.
Okay.
You cannot take out. Out is easily broken the dumpling.
Okay.
Small skills.
Yes.
真的啊？真的 OK。哇，真的这么厉害呀！